Hey folks, we're talking about the barriers to and the benefits of empowering your team. And what I want to cover in this video is how empowering your team can help in emergency or crisis situations. Well, why is that? Well, in a lot of situations where maybe there's a really tight deadline or some sort of emergency, if your team doesn't feel empowered, they're probably going to stand around and wait for the leader to tell them what to do because they don't want to step out of line, they don't want to make the wrong decision. An empowered team takes action because they know that even if it's not the perfect solution or the best answer, they know that the leader will have their back simply because they made an effort to try a solution. So when it comes to times of crisis or emergencies, tight deadlines, machines messing up, we know that an empowered team tends to come up with more solutions and tends to really act in the best interest of the department or the company, more so than waiting around, waiting for the leader to tell them what to do so that they don't get in trouble or get told that they should have done something different. So empower your team. You're going to find that in times of crisis, things move a lot smoother. Now go lead.